Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Tala. I am the creator and co-founder of Writer-GPT. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to use internal linking and how to use external linking. So let's go to Generate Content tab and go down to bottom. Here you will see options of internal linking and external linking. So first, external linking is simple. So let me just explain it. You can choose from these options. Authority sites only. It will link to authority sites that have authority and credibility, and it can when we select .edu sites, it will only use .edu or .gov sites to do external linking, and when we go for mixed sources, it will fetch all the websites from the web. And no external linking mean there will be no external links. Okay, now come to our main topic, which is internal linking. So here we need to add our websites that are that we want to use as an internal linking. So I will add some of my websites here. I have already added few websites, but let me add it again, which is theduersome.com, and you will click on fetch sitemap if your website already not added. If you have already added this website, then you will see this option, manage links. I have already, so you can click on this and you see that I have already added this site, and these are the links that are being fetched from the sitemap of the site. Make sure your site is accessible by public robots like robots.txt file, so this tool will also be able to access or fetch your robot.txt file. Okay, so now we need to go to top, and here we need to generate content, and I will choose what is vibe coding. So this is my topic, and I will leave rest of the setting as it is, and I will go to create bulk job. So my job is being created and article is being generated. It will take only few seconds, maybe 15 or 30 seconds, maximum 30 seconds and minimum 15 seconds. Okay, so here it is. What is vibe coding? This is our article, and here is the first link. Companies like the Duersome often leverage such technologies to deliver effective solutions. So you can check, this is our website link. Check, this is second link. It can add multiple links as well. And this is our work portfolio. This one is third link. And these are the projects that we have already completed or we have on our website. It had mentioned Writer-GPT as well. It is mentioning services as well. Here it is. So it is showing all the links that we have created. You can download this file as HTML or in other format as well. This is how internal linking works. I hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any problem or any issues, you can contact us. Keep helping, keep going, keep supporting Writer-GPT. Thank you so much. Goodbye.